Let's talk about EOS. EOS is a cryptocurrency with a ticker of EOS, currently trading at $3.92, with a market cap currently at 3.8 billion. But before we start trading and hodling this, guys, what is EOS? EOS is a platform that's designed to allow developers to build decentralized apps on their platform. Where can we find this at? Where can we trade and hodl this? Binance, UB Global, BitThumb, Get.io, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange, Bitfinex, Binance, Bybit. So you guys can trade and hodl this cryptocurrency. Where can we look at this? The price ratings. So their current ratings, they got off of symmetries of B minus and a double B with stable outlook. If you guys want to go into more detail, learn more about this cryptocurrency, which I would 100% do before doing any investing or hodling, read their prices, read their reports to see what you guys think about it. I'll have them linked below. We'll get into some of the news about EOS. Now, this is off of CoinMarketCap, some of their biggest things. But I found some really good articles based on the what's happening with EOS off the Twitter page, where I'll be showing you guys in a second. Here's their main website, guys. It's eos.io. Now, if you guys want to learn more about their efficiencies, their how convertible they are, their security and compliances, please check their website out, learn more about it, understand what this cryptocurrency is, how you guys can utilize it if you guys want to get onto that platform or program on their platform. Just be a part of that. But here is their Twitter page. Now the Twitter page is pretty big with 254,000 followers. They have all their most news, most relevant news on there. Also, guys, follow me on Twitter as Andre J. McClendon. Talk about politics, talk a lot about crypto, similar to my YouTube channel, but a lot more about politics. So let's get to that article, guys. So this is the article that I was reading about. This is when Google Cloud joined the EOS community and a leading open source platform for the blockchain innovation and performance. So if you guys want to learn more about this, how they got to their platform, how they're going to be using their programming for their open source programming. So please check that out, guys, if you guys want to learn more. Let's get to their Reddit page. Reddit is also pretty popular, but things that are happening, current events and stuff like that. Very similar to their website and Twitter page. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So if you guys have been following my work and seeing what's been happening with EOS since my last video has gone up a little bit, but then got put smack down. Now we have been testing this low at the $3.60, about 60 cents, and we're looking like we're currently going to be retesting that low. But so let's see what we can do about this. Okay, so if you look at, we're on the daily. If you look at the super trend has been showing down, but I believe that it's going to be switching over since it's slowing down at the support level. And I'll give you an example of what I'm going to do if I was going to get involved with this cryptocurrency. All right, let's do a box. So see this zone right here? You can see that there's a lot of wicks right here. So a lot of people entered off of this support level. If it retests this low and enters again, what I'm going to do is not place a buy limit, because the buy limit would enter me in if it came down. And if it went down and just kept on going down, it would take my entry and possibly stop me out of my trade if I'm going to trade or hodl this. What I'm going to do is place a buy stop. Now the reason why I chose to do a buy stop is to, one, not get into the current market, wait it out, and if it's going to trend, get into that trend with my buy stop so I can take that to a higher price. Okay, so for me, I'm going to be doing a buy stop off of this a little bit above these highs, and I will be going to my new price prediction target, which is $5.20. So price prediction is $5.20. My first objective is going to enter off of a buy stop while trading. Remember, guys, this is going to be trading. I'm going to talk about how to hodl this after that. So after this, so when it comes to entry, I'm going to place a buy stop. Now, if the market goes down like this, all right, let me get rid of this. If it goes down at its current price and heads down lower to this low here, let's say just down here, if it does that, now I'm going to have to place, I'm going to remove, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to modify my buy stop because it's too far off and I want to catch a good trend, not up here, but down here. So if it does bounce off this current low at the $3.90 right here, $3.90 to about $3.60, if it bounces off this low it heads up higher, it's going to engage my buy stop. If it does not do that in scenario 2, if it hits this zone here, this support zone, and it does pull back higher, I'm going to move my buy stop and head it back down here. I'm not going to do multiple entries. I'm just going to be modifying my buy stop because I want to catch it on the upside and reduce my risk as much as possible. So if it goes down from here, I'm going to move my buy stop to here at this the second arrow right here. And if it goes down and engages my buy stop and heads up higher, all I'm going to do is if it goes up to like the 460 or the 480 level, I'm just going to move my stop that's down here. Sorry. And move it above my entry, locking in that trade. And if it keeps on going higher and higher, I'll drag my trade out. So locking in more profits and then exiting possibly some of my position at like the 620 if it goes up to that level. But first it has to see what it does down here. Okay, so now let's talk about if I'm going to hodl this. So if I'm going to hodl this trade instead of trading it, since trading inherently has more risks since you're getting into a margin account. All right, let's see. So trading this is going to be a little bit different. Now, when it comes to this, it's at a good support zone to be buying. Now, when it comes to hodling, I look at this a little bit differently because I want to be entering off of a non-emotional time and entering on a very strict schedule. Okay? So I'm going to the same price prediction up to here, but I'm going to be entering it a little bit differently. So one off the bat, if my goal is just to hodl, not trade, I'm entering right off the market, $3.90, boom. And I'm going to be using it basically like if I had a job making $500 a week, I would be taking $100 out of my paycheck and putting it into EOS every single so today, I'll put in today, and then Friday, next Friday, every single Friday, $100. This basically is dollar cost averaging. Now, the reason why I'm doing this so I can, one, get a good base, good range of prices in. So if it goes up higher, I have a good locked in price or prices. And also what it does, it removes the emotional part of trading. Hodling in this position, because a lot of people get FOMO and they exit early, exit late or whatever. You want to make sure that you have a very planned, scheduled, non-emotional entry so you're not getting shaken out of your trade. And you got to plan your exit too. So for me, plan my entry and my exit will be at the first price prediction, exit some off, and then keep on going and exiting it off at certain points, which I can make an updated video based on that. So guys, that's my price prediction for hodling and my price prediction for trading. If any questions or comments, guys, please post them below. We can have that conversation about what to do or what I'm doing and stuff. But let's get to my website, guys. So this is my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. So guys, in the top right, I've been posting live trading of my trading bot that's been trading US 30. And if you guys want me to trade it on Bitcoin, I will. But if you guys follow those trades, or in the sense of just watching them, you guys can see that it's been taking really good profits. It's in 100% automatically without my influence at all. Please check that out. I stream pretty much all day, as long as my laptop still has battery. Also, please, if you guys want to check out my trading course, I have it on here about Forex and also crypto with some financial stuff with stocks. Please check that out, guys. If you guys want the one-on-one live daily sessions, that's a little bit different. We're having a conversation. Just DM me here on my website or on Facebook. And guys, here's my crypto portion. You guys want to have a conversation and talk about crypto, you guys have it here. It's still being a little bit modified. I'm still going to add more, but just let me know, guys. Just drop a comment below. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. We'll have this conversation about EOS, and thank you. See you in the next video.